several days.
And this breach on our nation's Capitol building is causing some to question the response from law enforcement protecting the building. Erica Cost joins us live now with more on this. Erica, you spoke to a retired law enforcement official who's pretty well known in our area.
That's right, Jack. Dr. Cedric Alexander, a former Rochester Police Chief, he says bottom line, more preparation was needed on the part of law enforcement Wednesday. He says he's upset this had to cost the lives of 5 people. Governor Cuomo saying today in a press conference he's shocked how anything like a Capitol breaching could have happened.
Any bunch of thugs, any mob can literally take over the government, which is what they did.
Dr. Cedric Alexander, former Rochester Police Chief, says there should have been more preparation. He says while federal buildings in D.C. have an enormous amount of security, it's when you have a mob of people and a planned event that could potentially go awry, you need to be more than ready.
Capitol Police, Park Police, Metro Police, and you would have had a contingency of National Guardsmen.
Yesterday, Black Lives Matter activists of Rochester say a lack of law enforcement Wednesday contrasts with what they were faced with over the summer at their protests. Dr. Cedric Alexander agrees.
In addition, there was far greater law enforcement presence there, particularly from federal law enforcement. But if you contrast that against what we saw on yesterday, very minimal security. From the video footage, I think that we all have witnessed.
He says our nation has a long way to go, but the first step in moving forward from this starts with all of us as Americans.
We have to begin to question ourselves. If this is not who we are, how do we allow something like this to happen?
And Dr. Alexander says the district attorney in D.C. is working with the FBI and the U.S. Attorney General on investigations and arrests. Reporting Erica Cost, News 8.
Erica, thank you. We have also been told that the chief of Capitol Police is resigning after these events.